In this video, you are going to see how to insert a PDF in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. Go to Insert, go to Object, click on Create from File, click on Browse. Let us choose a PDF from my desktop. Here I have a PDF file. Click on OK. Now, if I click on Display as icon, it will show just an icon, and if I uncheck it, it will show as a PDF file. Let us click on Display as icon and click on OK, and here you will see it is showing as a PDF file. You can increase or decrease its size. If I click on over here, the PDF file will be appeared. Let us again go to the PowerPoint, delete it, go to Object, go to Create from File, go to Browse and choose the PDF file from here. Not check the display as icon, just click on OK, and here a PDF file will be showing over here. If I click on over here, the PDF file will be appeared. Let me delete it. Again go to Object, go to Create from File, go to Browse and choose the PDF file. Click on Display as icon. If you want to change the icon, go to over here and you can change the icon from here very easily. And you can change the caption from here. Excel PDF. Let us click on OK and click on OK, and here you will see this is perfect for me. And if I click on over here, it will open the PDF file. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.